Hello and welcome to Alight's anti-sexual harassment training. Let me start by saying that we at Alight have a zero tolerance policy towards any kind of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment includes any unwelcome physical, verbal or non-verbal behavior that has any sexual connotations, either direct or by implication. Everyone is responsible for their own conduct. We also have to ensure we behave in a way which is respectful at all times. It also means we act when we see a conduct which is inconsistent with the policy. We all in the organization need to be aware of and concerned about workplace harassment and sexual harassment. This commitment of ours is rooted in Alight's Code of Business Conduct and anti-sexual harassment policy. And this defines our DNA. As an organization, we are serious about providing a safe working environment that provides a right to work with dignity. We want to protect our colleagues from any sexual harassment in the workplace, as well as redressing any complaints related to sexual harassment or any related matters. To ensure a harassment-free workplace, we have an active internal complaints committee that works with colleagues to investigate every reported issue. The training you are about to undertake outlines what constitutes sexual harassment, the difference between harassment and sexual harassment, and the information about avenues that are available to you to report any issues. This is a mandatory training for everyone in the organization. Your leaders and managers have already attended in-person training so that they may be of help to you in case of any query or concerns. My entire leadership team and I are committed to make Alight a workplace where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. We have zero tolerance towards any form of sexual harassment, and I urge you to speak up if you see any such behavior in the workplace. Let's make Alight a safe place for everyone.